The precise time that Amber Heard's attorney began questioning his life choices has been brought to light by internet users. The observation and the revelations were made by users of Twitter who shared a collection of images featuring Amber Heard's legal counsel cradling their faces into their hands throughout the entirety of the trial. Twitter users were the ones who made the observation, and they were the ones who made the revelations. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at Johnny's divorce lawyer reacting to new terrifying revelations about Amber. Yeah, you heard it right. One of the observers then turned to the stage and delivered a startling revelation about the apparent life choices made by the lawyers and the supposed regrets that were likely to have flowed in their minds. According to a comment attributed to him, he was the one who pointed out that, but truly, he looked like he was reconsidering his life choices and having a mental breakdown for the entire time. This message was sent in response to a comment that was made by the original user that shared the images, which reads as follows: "Alright, it's official. I'm an Adam Nadelhoff apologist. This poor man doesn't want to be there defending Amber. If I see one more person calling him Rottenborn Jr., I'ma throw hands." Reportedly, Hollywood actress Amber Heard was unable to unearth negative things about her ex-husband Johnny Depp, and as a result, she terminated the services of the private detective. Paul Baresi, a private investigator, has been quoted as saying that the Aquaman actress hired him to find terrible stuff about Johnny, in accordance with a report that was published by Law and Crime Network. He admitted, "I compiled all these historical documents on him. In July of 2019, Amber was the one who recruited me. I looked under every rock and turned over every stone all across the world in an effort to uncover any unflattering information about Johnny, but my efforts were fruitless." Paul continued by saying, "She dismissed us. Not until April of 2020 did I make the decision to involve Amber in my work as a private investigator." Regarding Johnny Depp's biological father, he was quoted as saying Johnny's father was 4 years younger than his mother when they were married. He was a meek and mild-mannered man who avoided conflict at all costs. According to what was said about Johnny's father in court, Johnny is just like him. Nevertheless, rather than arguing, the father chose to defer to his mother's judgment. Fans of Johnny Depp, star of the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, reportedly crowdfunded hundreds of dollars to see a freshly unsealed document dump that renewed the excitement over the highly publicized trial. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are both preparing to appeal the judgment in their defamation case. Even before the verdict was handed down, the Pirates of the Caribbean star had already emerged victorious in the court of public opinion. Fans had gathered in front of the Virginia courtroom in the hopes of obtaining a wave from the Pirates of the Caribbean actor. There are rumors that the admirers of the Hollywood actor and those with insatiable curiosity are still eager to swallow anything that has to do with the scandal. Based on an initial review of more than 6,600 pages, it does not appear that Depp will receive any favorable treatment. During interviews with a variety of media sites, legal professionals were asked about their thoughts on the matter. Few of them commented to Rolling Stone that what people are seeing are all the explosive allegations and potentially embarrassing assertions that Depp's lawyers were able to effectively keep out of the trial. Brett Ward, a family lawyer in New York, argues that the situation was unquestionably more difficult for Johnny. Johnny Depp's team was successful in obtaining several important pretrial judicial judgments. The information that he chose to exclude from evidence ultimately harms him more because of the favorable findings that were handed down during the pretrial phase of the case. The entirety of the evidence points to him being in the worst position presently. Emily D. Baker, a legal analyst, believes that anyone who thought that all these motions were only going to have things that were flattering for Johnny Depp and things that were unflattering for Amber was naive. I think it would have been naive for anyone to think that all these motions were only going to have flattering things for Johnny Depp. Baker says, "I always expected it to be both sides flinging mud at one another, because that's what pretrial motions are," the judge said. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.